Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to NIVS Home School. Here I am Lokman, an assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Now I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 4. Our today's discussion topic has been taken from English for Today, Unit 38, Lesson 1 to 3. So I hope you have already opened your book. Now let's see in our today's discussion. In our today's discussion is all about two friends. One is staying in Bangladesh, another one is who is staying in abroad. They maintain their communication writing letter. So last few days ago, one of his friends sent him a letter, and the friend who lives abroad, her name is Jenny. She sent a letter to Molloy in Bangladesh. She informed about her experience, how she passed her holiday in Oxford. She described her all experience in her letter. Even then, Mr. Molloy sent him letter, and she is going to visit Cox's Bazar, and he is very excited. Let's see our today's discussion. Here there is a letter. It has been taken from Unit 38. Lesson 1 to 3. I hope you have already opened your book. Dear Jenny, you know that to write a letter, first of all you have to start from address, then date, and then salutation. So this is salutation. Dear Jenny, thanks for your letter. I am happy you enjoyed your holiday in Oxford last week. I am going on holiday next week. He also is going to enjoy his holiday. My exam will end on the 6th November. His exam will end on 6th November. Then he will make a visit to Cox's Bazar. Then on the 7th, we will go to Dhaka and stay with my uncle's family. His uncle lives in Dhaka. He also stay in Dhaka with his uncle's family. Then on the 8th, we will travel to Cox's Bazar. We will also visit Inani Beach, Himsari, and Maheshkhali. Cox's Bazar has the longest beach in the world. It's more than 120 kilometers long. Underline this information, is very important. It's more than 120 kilometers long. I am very excited. Love, Molloy. Who is writing? Mr. Molloy is writing letter to Jenny. Mr. Molloy stays in Bangladesh and Jenny lives abroad, London. Okay, match the words in column A with their meanings that are mentioned in column B. This matching. Now start writing. First of all, here is given some words. The meaning of the words is given in this column, column B. In column A, holiday. Holiday means a day free from any types of work, any types of pressure. So it should be matched with here a day free from work. Number 3, A will be matched with number 3. Right here, number 3. Okay, the answer is a day free from work. Right here, a day free from work. This is our column A. And this is column B. I have made a mistake here. Okay, next one, stay. Stay means to live in a place. Stay means to live in a place. It's number 4. Right here, number 4. And write down the answer here. And you can match here. To live in a place. To live in a place. Okay, number 3. C number, end. End means to finish. The answer is here, number 1. So C number is matched with number 1. To finish. Number D, excited. Excited means thrill, who feels very happy, joyous in moment. So excited means thrilled. Thrilled is here, number 5. D is matched with number 5. Right here answer, thrilled. Okay, next one, and the last one is soon. Soon means within a very short time. Number 6. So E plus number 6. Right here, within a very short time. Okay, it's done. Now go to question number 2. Write true for correct statement and false for incorrect statement. Match with the passage information. Molloy enjoyed his holiday in Oxford. Is it right? No. According to the passage, we came to learn that here Jenny enjoyed her holiday in Oxford. So information is not true. Right here, false. It should be Jenny enjoyed her holiday in Oxford. Okay, number B. Molloy's exam will end on 6th November. Yes, the information is matched with our passage. So right here, true. Number C. His uncle lives in Dhaka. It also true information. You can write here, true. Number D. Cox's Bazar has the smallest sea beach in the world. No, it's totally false information. According to the passage, we came to learn that Cox's Bazar has the longest sea beach in the world. So right here, false. Okay, next one, number E. Cox's Bazar beach is 120 kilometers long. No, its information doesn't match with our information in passage. It's more than 120 kilometers, but it's not fixed within 120 kilometers. So we can't say 120 kilometers. It also false information. Right here, false. Okay, now it's time to write some answer of the question. First question is, who has written the letter? Who has written the letter? Mr. Molloy. Mr. Molloy has written the letter. Write first subject, Molloy. Then write auxiliary verb, have verb has. Molloy has, verb past participle, has written the object and the rest of the part of the sentence, the letter. So Molloy has written the letter to Jenny. Okay, next one. Where did Jenny go to pass her holiday? Jenny went to Oxford to pass her holiday. Write here subject first, Jenny. Then write main verb in a past form because your sentence is asked in a past tense. So go will be went because it is the past form of go. Jenny went in Oxford. It should be capital letter, Oxford. Jenny it should be to. Jenny went to Oxford. Jenny went to Oxford to pass her holiday. Please note it down. I am repeating. Jenny went to Oxford to pass her holiday. Jenny went to Oxford. Where did she go? Went to Oxford to pass her holiday. Okay, next one. When will Molloy's exam end? Write first subject here. Molloy's exam will end. When? Exam will end on 6th November. On the 6th November. Okay. Why is Molloy excited? Molloy is excited because he is going to Cox's Bazar. Right here, Molloy is excited because he will visit Cox's Bazar. Okay, Molloy is excited because he will visit Cox's Bazar. Okay, next one. Why does Molloy thank Jenny? Molloy thanks Jenny for her letter. Molloy, write verb present form and give extra s because your question is asked within auxiliary verb does. That's why give extra s here. Molloy thanks Jenny for her letter. Okay, we have reached at the end of our today's class. Now take your SW. This is our SW number 7. There are two SW. Number 1, write a short composition about your visit to Cox's Bazar. Number 2, poem travel, write 10 lines, it should be 10. Write 10 lines, page number 115. You have to mention poet's name also. Okay? This is all about your HW and this lesson. I hope you have already understood our today's discussion. The discussion was about a letter. There are two friends, they maintain their communication writing letter. One stays in London, another stays in Bangladesh, Molo and Jenny. So I hope you have already understood our today's discussion. Stay home, stay well, stay safe. Advance Eid Mubarak. Allah Hafiz.